Stop the camera.
You're live too?
I'll go live. I just want to go live because I know how difficult it's going to be for you to open this thing. It's going to be like opening a CD.
4 people with the camera.
Let's see if this fucking shit works.
Done by Plastic Cell, and we're gonna unveil it here for you guys.
Beautiful. Tomorrow's a big fight. Tonight is the unboxing. You guys better have made him look good. We're gonna be very angry with you guys. These
I hope
Asian
so.
guys behind the match.
Box art. There it is.
Oh.
Let's check it out.
That is so badass.
Let me see. Whoa, sick. What do you guys think? Plastic Cell made Rory Macdonald. Love the mohawk.
Rory is now a toy.
Awesome.
Thank you guys.
Nice job,
Thank you.
guys.
Very cool.
You're welcome.
I love it. Awesome job.
Nice.
Right on.
Rory, while we're live,
Yep.
answer a couple of questions from our boys. Rory's fighting tomorrow. He's gonna kick some ass. Bellator World Championship. You're asking, where's the turtleneck?
I wore it yesterday.
You wore it yesterday. What's wrong with you guys, man?
Oh wait.
There you go. Yeah, I know. Any questions, boys? We're gonna wrap it up real quick.
Stark is going to be coming in hungry, man.
His back's against the wall. I think he feels a sense of urgency. Mando wants to add to his, he's like finally starting to get some respect. It's a pretty, interesting turnaround he's had. Yeah. To be a journeyman. Working as if he figured it out. You know what I'm saying? Like, shit, I know how to fight now. Like, I get it. It took me, how you feeling? 20-something fights.
Always a nice feeling when you start hydrating.
He moves. He's like,
Bellator Welterweight World Championship. Introducing first the challenger, coming to us from Montreal, Quebec, Canada. He brings a professional record of 19-4, 7 knockouts with 7 submissions. Please welcome one of the very best welterweights in the world today, the Red King, Rory Macdonald. 169.3 pounds for Macdonald, 169.3. And now we welcome the welterweight, widely recognized as one of the hardest strikers in the world today. He is the 2-time reigning and defending Bellator welterweight world champion. As a professional, he brings 29 victories, 6 defeats, 13 knockouts to his credit, 11 of his wins coming by way of submission from Goiás, Brazil, fighting out of Atlanta, Georgia, Douglas the Phenom Lima. Woo! $169 pounds even, 169. Put your hands together once again for the welterweight